Why don't you Oh man, cardio and abs completed, guys. For everyone that don't know, I train at least 5 to 6 days a week. I like to come out here, get 2 workouts in. So one early in the morning, you know, my calisthenic / weightlifting. And I like to come out here for the second session and just do cardio and core, guys. So as you guys see, man, I just finished some jump rope. I finished some footwork drills that I did. Did some my ab circuit. But we done, man. We done for the day for our lifting. Now, man, let's get a lot of water in, eat real good, and that'll be it, you know, as far as that, man. So you guys don't understand. You got to put the work in, you know. You got to put the work in to get the results that you want. You got to be patient. You got to be dedicated. You got to be willing to finish what you start. You know, some days you're going to be motivated. Some days you're not going to be motivated. You know, that's just how it goes. But the days that you are not motivated, what do you do on those days? You know, those are the days that matters the most. Those are the days that build character. Is you going to, you know, bitch out and skip out on your workout because the way you feel, or it's some type of argument you got in with your girl, so that's your excuse to not go to the gym, to not get your workout in at home, or you're gonna man the fuck up and you're gonna put the work in regardless how you feel, man. That's how it's supposed to be. I didn't want to come out here, but I got it in anyways, you know. Got it in anyways, guys, and I feel good. I feel amazing, you know, and I just don't know nobody that works out and feel like shit afterwards, you know. I just don't. So get your exercise in, get your workout in, guys. Break a sweat, get active, get your body, get your mind right, your spirit, your soul. Put the work in. But I'm gonna eat. I might show you guys when I'm physically ready to eat, but I'm finna shower first, take a cold shower, then I'm gonna eat. So let's do that, man.